Everybody, thank you for joining my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment if you will. This is who I'm meant to be on this day, February 13, 2025. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I had to do a second order for Walmart because I got to get my smoothies right, okay? So please join me. I'm about to make a smoothie for the day. Okay, yes. And then, yes, please stay tuned. Let me show you my ingredients I have for these wonderful smoothies I'm about to make. So here's what I will be putting in my smoothie for today. Vanilla, Greek yogurt, pineapple, mango smoothie, creamy Reese's peanut butter, blueberries, strawberries, frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, and oat milk. And also to sweeten it, I got the agave nectar. If you know, you know. Because sometimes when you make smoothies, the fruit is kind of sour, kind of bitter, and you may want to add honey, but honey, agave nectar is healthier than honey and it's not as thick as honey. So please stay tuned while I make this beautiful, wonderful smoothie on today. I know nobody didn't think I was playing when I said I'm using my smoothie every day. Somebody thought I was playing? Okay. Anyway, so let's get started. Here's the container. I actually have a lid for this container. So I'm gonna just use this container and drink out of that. I have to be at work in about an hour and a half, so I have time. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the Greek yogurt in first and the peanut butter, since they are well, you know what? Yes, I think I should put the thickest consistency at the bottom and put the lighter content and put the, the oat milk on top, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do 2 scoops of, there's 2 scoops of Greek yogurt. Well, yeah. 2 scoops of Greek yogurt. And this is Greek yogurt. This is vanilla. This is not low fat. This is, it's non-fat. It's non-fat, but I want to say it's not dairy free. It doesn't say dairy free on there. Okay. So we love peanut butter. You know what? I ordered the strawberries and bananas, but they didn't have it, so they gave me 3 of these. They gave me 3 of these instead of giving me the banana and strawberries, because I wanted to add bananas to this. But we don't have any bananas today. I'm gonna add one spoonful of peanut butter. Okay. So, now here's the fun part. Y'all thought I was playing. I said I'm using my smoothie every day. Inshallah. Okay. This has this has pineapple and mango in here. So I'm making a pineapple, mango, strawberry, and with blueberries, with oat milk, with vanilla, Greek yogurt, and peanut butter, and a little agave. This looks good. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Doesn't that look delicioso? Let's see. We're gonna see how it tastes. We're gonna see if it tastes as good as it looks. It should, because I have all the perfect ingredients. Okay, that's enough for that. A little bit goes a long way with that agave nectar. Oat milk. Hopefully you all enjoying your day today. Having a blessed day today, so I'm filling it all the way up to the top. And this is what we have. Now for the fun part. See, it likes to get stuck. And we don't like that. Okay, so I need to stir it. It's really thick. So let me stir it up some more. Mix it up. Have to mix up this. Need to mix up this peanut butter at the bottom and this yogurt. See, that's what I'm afraid of, this thing breaking. I think that it actually stops when it gets too hot. So it needs to cool off. I'm letting it cool off. So I just found out that my magic bullet is still working. I just had to let it cool off. All praise to the Most High, the Most High only, so I don't have to get upset and disappointed on day 2 of having my magic bullet, because I was about to be a little upset about that. But thank the Most High that I don't have to be upset about that. Just needed to cool off. So we have to get this smoothie making down to a science. Just bear with me. Remember to always keep the Most High first. Be blessed and see you next time. Bye.